Things you will need for this project: a soldering workstation which holds the soldering iron and has a sponge which needs to be dampened to clean the soldering tip. The soldering iron, once heated, reaches temperatures of 400 degrees centigrade, therefore is very hot and dangerous. You will need wire cutters. You will need wire strippers and lead-free solder, which is often supplied on a reel. Electronic soft solder is made up from an alloy of tin, silver and copper. Electronic solder contains its own flux, a cleaning chemical, in the centre of the solder. You will work with small lengths of solder. You will use masking tape to hold your components in place. Plug in the soldering iron and set it to 15 volts. You must ensure that the soldering iron is used in a well-ventilated area and that the components being soldered are clean and free of contamination. You must wear safety goggles because the flux contains resins which tend to spit. Wash your hands after soldering. Safe soldering. After completing these tasks, you will be able to use soft solder and solder wires together. First, strip the ends of the wire and then twist the exposed multi-core wire tight. Shape into a ring and place on the work surface, holding it in place with short strips of masking tape. Place the tip of the soldering iron onto the wire joint and heat up for at least 3 seconds. Take the solder and place on the joint whilst continuing to heat it up with the soldering iron. Allow to cool and remove the tape and check the joints. You will complete the soldering exercise sheet to practice your soldering.